Hi friends, welcome to my wife's kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to my wife's kitchen. Today we came up with a new dish called chicken Chettinad, which is a special of South Indian dish. The key ingredients are onion, cumin seeds, red chili, curry leaves, coconut, ginger garlic paste, tomato, black pepper, ilachi, cloves, and cinnamon. First of all, we have to prepare the paste. So the requisitions for preparation of the paste is onion, cumin seeds, red chili, black pepper, and coconut. So just mix it well. Our paste is ready. Now we will marinate the chicken by adding some ingredients. Just we will add the paste to it and ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix it well. Keep this mixture for half an hour. Now we will add 2 spoons of oil. Yes, color. We will add cardamom, ilachi, cinnamon, black pepper, curry leaves, cloves, ginger garlic paste, chopped onion. Onion turn to golden color. Just will add tomato. Now you can see it is done. Add the marinated chicken pieces here. Mix it properly. Add 1 spoon of garam masala. After mixing it properly, cover with a lid and cook in a medium flame. Okay. Add some water and cook for 15 minutes. Add a pinch of sugar to it. It's almost cooked. You can see. So guys, we are done with this. See how awesome it is looking. It's yummy. So have it. You can have this with rice. See how beautiful it is. It's so yummy, you know.